station for more cooking.
First thing you need to do, let's look at all the ingredients so you'll know exactly what you need to have. Sweetened condensed milk. Regular, just cream cheese, a little bit of vanilla extract, some lemon juice.
Yep.
You're definitely gonna need your pie crust. Your whipped topping. This is the last thing you're gonna put on after the pie has set.
Now the cream cheese is already in here, right?
What I do, because people say you have to have soft cream cheese. Mine sometimes comes straight out of the refrigerator, so I take mine and put it in my glass bowl, and I take it straight to my microwave, 35 to 40 seconds.
Okay, and when that's warmed up, you just pull it right out of the microwave, and what are you doing now?
I am making sure that it's good and soft. Then I take my sweet condensed milk, the whole little can, and you stir it in slowly. This pie has a lot to do with the stirring. I stir it a little bit more. Make sure all the ingredients are together. And you do that on your low first. Getting all the lumps out, smoothing it out. All right, let's take that out and let's add in the other ingredients. You had to get your lemon juice concentrate, and you take 1/3 cup and you pour that all in there. 1 teaspoon your vanilla extract, and you pour it in there. Mix all of that together. Slowly but surely, I like to do it by hand, definitely nice and creamy. Then after you gotten it all a little creamy, you take your hand mixer again. This is the part people forget to do. They don't mix it enough, so all of the flavors can marry.
That's a hint, ladies and gentlemen. That's a hint that I haven't gotten married yet. Okay, we give it about 3 minutes and then it'll be good to go. And you're done blending.
It's done blending.
Okay,
That
all right.
consistency is perfect. You want to pick up your bowl and you want to fill in your pie crust. Come on over here and look. See how creamy and delicious? Not one knot anywhere. No lumps. Look at that. Look at that. Already filling up that pie pan. And then you put it in your refrigerator. I let mine sit in my refrigerator at least 3 hours. Sometimes you can let it sit for the next day if you're not going to use it right away. Once it's all set, you can just take it out and put on it topping. Make sure it's set though. This is the top that came with the pie.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This is what you put over the top of it. Don't need any extra foil or anything.
And we're into a new day, and just wanted to go ahead and put the topping on. The whipped topping, which we had mentioned earlier, is just your regular fat-free whipped topping.
And we just pop it on the top and we smooth it out on the top, and you have the most beautiful pie when it's done. And you could add blueberries on top, strawberries. It's all optional, whatever your heart desires.
And there you have it, the wonderful cream cheese pie. All the details to how to make it are down in the description below, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, enjoy.